Hi there, friends. My name is Kitty Cat. Meow. Welcome to my home. I'm so happy you're here today. Do you want to meet my best friend? Yay! Let's go. Follow me.
Woof, woof, hello.
This is my friend Doggy Dog. Can you say Doggy Dog? Dog guy dog. Great job.
Hi everyone, I'm Doggy Dog. I love to play. Do you like to play too?
Doggy Dog loves to play with his bone and chase his tail. Silly doggy. Hee hee. Let's show them how we play. Doggy Dog. That was so fun. Do you play with toys at home? What's your favorite toy? Maybe a teddy bear or a ball?
I like balls. Woof, woof. Throw it, kitty.
Okay, here it comes. Yay! You did it, Doggy. Friends, thank you for playing with us today. We had so much fun at home.
You are our new friend now. Woof, woof.
That's right. We love making new friends. We'll see you next time, okay? Bye-bye, everyone. Meow. Woof.
Bye-bye. Woof, woof. Woof, love.